going on, bro? You want to buy a microwave?
You got a microwave?
Got a microwave, man.
How much?
I'll give you a combo deal, all right? I got a microwave and I got a coffee maker. I'll
Oh,
give you
hell.
both for $50.
1 second, let me get my buddy. He's got all my money.
You got
Hey,
it.
Vigo.
What do you mean I have all your money?
This guy's selling us a microwave and a blender or something. Would you want to
The
get
hell are we
it?
gonna do with that? We don't even have a home.
We can make shit. We can plug it up somewhere and cook things. What do you mean? You not know what a microwave is?
But like, we're just gonna carry a microwave around, or like, what do
Yeah,
you
why
plan?
not?
Where do
We
you
can
put
put it in the trunk of the taxi.
it? Okay, how much for the microwave and shit?
How much was it for the microwave and shit?
So I'll give you both for $50, bro.
$50 if you go. That's a steal.
Yeah, bro. It's a steal, right? And
Okay.
I also got hair dryers, hair straighteners, hair curlers, mobile phones and shit, computers.
How much for a computer? I've been needing something to edit my films on.
So I'm gonna need to go get one, but they usually go for around 40 to 60. Just depends on the kind of computer.
Did they come stocked with Adobe?
Yeah, bro. And it comes with the peripherals too. I'll bring the
Like a
microwave,
mouse?
the mouse and the keyboard.
Oh hell, let me get your number.
Yeah, is your man talking? Cause I can't hear him.
No, I'm just letting you guys figure this out. Look, I got $100. How about this? You give us the microwave,
All right,
the
it's tell me when you're ready, bro.
whatever the
Yeah,
hell,
bro.
and then we'll just pay 100.
310 721 1160.
Dick. Let me pull you aside.
Cool. I texted you my
Alright.
name.
Yeah, I got it, man. I'm up.
Oh my god. Dick.
Sick. So I guess we'll take the microwave
Gladys,
and then
did
I'll
you
hit
get
you
the,
back about the
you got your food, right?
computer.
Yeah, so in there's
William's
the
friend
microwave
Pops is
and
getting
the
the
coffee
food.
maker.
Oh, that's so
Oh.
Here's
nice.
the coffee maker.
Okay, hold on. I'm
And
getting. what is
yeah,
it?
you need any computers? You got any special requests? We can get that. We
You
can
guys
get
got
on the
cameras?
road, bro. Yeah, we can get cameras, bro. Anything.
Oh,
you
hell,
fucking
how much
want,
for a
bro.
camera?
And, camera. What kind of camera we talking? Like, you want a news camera? 'Cause we
Yeah.
get you some. You know that shit you see.
Fuck the steak!
Oh,
Whoa. Yo, what the hell?
Whoa.
Gladys.
He's a snake. Chill. Oh, chill. I didn't mean to stab the grandma. Chill.
Shoot that man. Shoot that man.
What
What
the
the hell
fuck?
wrong with you?
Oh,
Get
hey,
Gladys.
You think you could
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
You could just do that?
I'm gonna call an ambulance.
Oh my
Call
God.
ambulance.
Do I get to keep the microwave?
Excuse me there on the ground.
Watch out. We've got a stab victim here.
Oh my.
Come on.
Oh, William.
I got you. Don't worry. Vigo, don't forget the microwave.
Take Gladys to the hospital. I'll stay here.
Oh, William.
I got you. Don't worry.
Thank you.
All right, kick it.
Okay.
You grab the microwave, right?
No, I didn't grab microwave.
Okay, we'll come back for it. Gladys, if you see a bright light, run from it, okay?
All right.
Red alert! Red alert! We got a stablet wound.
Help! We need help.
Keep talking to her, William. I'll find someone.
What's your favorite? You have 15 cats. Which one's your favorite, Gladys?
I don't have a favorite. I love them all.
That's such a good answer.
Yes.
Your hourly ice pack.
There we go.
Unfortunately, I'm dealing with a.
You're good, Gladys.
Bastard. She just got stabbed. I'm sorry. Just ask another medic.
Magic shoes never lands on her little feet.
Think about turkey.
Magic shoes? Just bring it in.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, Gladys has been stabbed almost to death. I don't think she's feeling great right now. I gotta go
Good.
try to get that microwave. I'll be right back.
That's all here. Microwave.
How's Gladys doing?
Don't know yet. Waiting to hear word.
Man, this is so sad that this happened.
Yeah, kind of crazy, right?
Yeah, but there is a bright side to all of this.
Is it the microwave?
Yeah. Yeah, let me crack this bad boy open. 1 minute.
What the fuck did they stab me, bro?
Stainless steel watch! Well, I opened the box and there actually wasn't a microwave in there, so I think we got scammed.